Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find App Management. Then let's tap on Special App Access, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course, we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. As you can see, after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, it works with all other apps, and if you want to, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and as you can see, after getting back, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.